Only a genius can identify its fruits. How many of these fruits can you identify? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Yum yum. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. And number 11. Number 12. And 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Delicious. I love this one. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Ooh la la. And number 20. So how did you do? Are you ready for the answers? Let's begin. 1. African rose apple. 2. Gorombiri monkey fruit. 3. Igifrutu tropical almond. 4. Goba Nigerian guava. 5. Agbalumo udara Nigerian star apple. 6. Ube Nigerian butter pear. Awin's velvet tamarind. Bush banana number 8. Number 9. Ishin aki. Number 10. Ngulungu June plum. Number 11. Atili fruit Nigerian olives. Number 12. Osu fruit Hunteria. Number 13. Kanu cashew fruit. 14. Olongo fruit Nigerian cranberry. 15. Aki Ofio tiger nut fruit. 16. Bere jackfruit. 17. Ero bush mango ogbono mango. 18. Cocoa fruit delicious. 19. Kuka boaba fruit tasty. 20. Ataigbere pepper fruit. So what was your score? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.